we need to talk a little bit about function notation. Okay, what function notation is going to look like, you're going to see something funky like f of x, or g of x, or h of x. That's what it's going to look like. Okay, and all this is a fancy way of saying y. Okay, so what's going to happen is there's going to be an equation. And it'll look like f of x equals 2x plus 1. Okay, all that is a fancy way for writing y equals 2x plus 1. That's all it is. Okay, all these things that you see, all are just another way to write y. Okay, so now I believe your directions are going to say use, or they're going to say evaluate using 3, 0, and negative 2. Okay, so, yep, 3, 0, negative 2. So we're still using this guy. So 2 times what? 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And then 2 times 0 is plus 1. And 2 times negative 2 is plus 1. Negative 3. Okay. Yes, sir?
That just means y was the point of it.
Because it's function notation. So it's telling us that it's a function of x. Okay? So it's saying, so what this actually says is that a function of x equals 2x plus 1. Okay? It's still a function of x, yep. Huh? No. Okay. No. Shelby, question? No? Okay. All right, so sometimes you're going to see stuff as a mapping. If I've got 0 is to 4, 5, and 3 is to 7, and 9. And they ask us if this is a function or not. Okay, what we need to do is we need to make this into a table. Because if I make it into a table, 0 goes with 4. What's my next point? 0, 5. My next point is 3, 7, and 3, 9. So is this a function? No. Not a function because I have repeats in the x.
So won't those always be not a function? Unless,
Not always, because they will. Sometimes it'll go to all different numbers. Okay? Because sometimes it'll look like my first point is what? 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, and function or not a function? That one is a function, yep. Why is that one a function? Because there's no repeats in x. Okay, so that's not so bad, right? Okay, what happens if I were to go g of x equals negative 7? Okay, and again, we're going to use, because on your whole assignment today, you are going to use negative, oh, no, just kidding, 3, 0, and negative 2. Okay, so how can I rewrite this? I can rewrite this into Negative 7. All right. So if I plug in 3, is there an x to plug in 3 anywhere? No. So what does y equal? Negative 7. Okay, if I plug in 0, can I plug in 0 anywhere? Is there an x to plug in? So what does y equal? Negative 7 again. If I plug in negative 2, is there anywhere to plug it in? So what does y equal? Negative 7. So if I graph this, okay, 3, no, it's not, these are all 3 of these are different dots. I've got 3, negative 7, 0, negative 7, negative 2, negative 7. What kind of a line do I have?
Straight line.
Well, all lines are straight. Be more specific.
Linear.
Yeah, all lines are linear because it means linear. That's what line means. What kind of a line is this? Horizontal line, yep. Okay.
Is vertical up and down?
Vertical is up and down because you got to think if you have a high vertical, you can jump up and down. See, that's how I think of it.